Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to find sum of two matrices, that is matrix addition in Java. So let me explain the program, friends. So I have two matrices like this, friends. Say you may take m by n matrix. Just I am taking like you know 2 by 2 matrix, friends, to explain in easy manner. Like I have 2 by 2 matrix, that is 1 2 and 3 4 prints, and I am taking one more matrix, say like this. So this is, say, elements, you can take any elements, you can take it, friends. Just I am taking, say, 5 and 6 and 7 8, friends. And one more thing, what I want, just I want addition, right, plus. So what would be the result, friends? So if you think it is, say, it is A matrix, if you think it is B matrix, and if it is C matrix, what is the position? I mean, I want this one 0 0 element, right? If you want C of 0 0, what I need to do, friends? I want to add A of 0 0 element and B of 0 0 elements. So what is the meaning, friends? This element and this element. So what will be happened? You'll get 6, friends. Okay. In the same way, if you want C of like 0 1 equal to A of 0 1 plus B of, say, 0 1, that means corresponding elements you have to add it, friends. Now I want C of 1 1 0 is equivalent to, say, A of 1 0 plus B of, say, 1 and 0. Now C of 1 1 equal to, say, A of 1 1 plus B of 1 1. And one thing you have to observe, friends, if you see here 0 0 and 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1, and that means, what is that, friends? I am adding 1 plus 5, like corresponding elements I am adding. So I mean, it is very very important, friends, to understand the logic. Now what is the value here? 2 plus 6, you will get 8, and one more thing, 3 plus 7, you will get 10, and 4 plus 8, you will get 12, friends. So that's it. And let me implement the logic, friends. So already I have taken one class. The name of the class is called matrix addition, and already I have taken one main method. Here what I am doing is first, and one more thing you have to understand, friends, and if you want to add any two matrices, what is the condition here? The condition is number of rows and number of, I mean, rows of A and rows of B should be equal, and columns of A and columns of B should be equal. Here if you see, what is the order, friends? 2 by 2. Here what is the order, friends? 2 by 2. 2 by 2. So here rows and columns should be same. Next, here what I am doing is just I am creating one scanner class to get the values from the keyboard. Okay. Now scanner system.in, from the keyboard I am trying to get the values, friends. So that is the reason I am giving system.in. And just you have to, I mean, system scanner class is available in till package, so please you have to import that till package as well. Now just I am trying to display one message on the screen. What is that? Enter rows and columns. Okay. So I am reading. So rows equal to, instead of rows you can take R as well. No problem, friends. Just name, that's it, right? Like integer of columns, just I am taking C equal to SC dot next integer. Okay, now what is the first what I need to do, friends? Just if you want to store array elements, you have to declare one two-dimensional array. What is the two-dimensional array syntax, friends? We have to take integer, two indexes you have to take, a equal to new integer of, that's it, friends, and row s and columns. One more thing, this is enter, say, a matrix rows and columns. Okay, once if it is done, then what will be happen, you have to read B matrix rows and columns, friends. Instead of R, just I am giving RA, friends, and CA I am giving rows of A and columns of A. Here also I am taking rows of B and columns of B. So just I am trying to create one more array. Here you have to give RA and CA, friends. Just what I am doing is I am creating one more array to store B matrix elements. So integer I am taking, say B equal to new integer of rows of B and say columns of B. That's it, friends. Two matrices created. And one more thing, to store the result, I am creating one more array. So integer C equal to new integer of, you can take anything. I think we'll see later, friends, this one. Now what I am doing is, if you want to perform, you have to read, so you have to read a value, I mean A matrix values and B matrix values, right? Before that, just I am checking what is the condition. I told you, right? What is the rule for matrix addition? Rows of A and rows of B should be equal, and columns of A and columns of B should be equal. So just I am checking RA equal to RB and CA equal to CB, friends. Okay, if it is, then I'll write my logic here, friends. So if it is not, then what will be happened? You have to write one error message. What is that? Matrix addition is not possible. That's it. So what is the logic, friends? Now actual logic, right? What is the logic I am writing here? Just you have to read a value, a matrix values, right? Here what I am doing is system.out.println, enter a matrix elements. Now I am taking, you have to take two for loops, friends. Why? Because one for rows and one for columns. So that is the reason I am taking two for loops. I am taking one more for loop. Here just I am taking array index starting from 0. So 0 I less than how many rows, friends? RA and I plus plus. Here integer j equal to 0. This is column. How many columns, friends? J less than, like CS J G plus plus. Now you have to read like this, right? A of I and A of J. A of ij equal to SC dot next integer. So what will be happening here? You will get A matrix elements from the keyboard. And one more thing, what I am doing is, just I am copying this one, friends. Just paste it here. Just you have to read B matrix element. So instead of RA, you can, I mean both RA and RB both are same, friends. You can take RB and RA as well. Here you can take CR, CB, no, friends. And instead of A, just I am giving B, friends. So for what happened, friends, I got A matrix elements and I got B matrix elements as well. Now what is the logic here? Very simple. If you see C of this one, right? Just I am right. Just what I am doing is I am creating one array. How to create? To store the result. So integer, say C equal to new integer of, so which one I have to take, RA or RB? And you can take anything, friends. RA you can take it, or RB also you can take it. Here CA also you can take it, CB also you can take it, friends. Both are valid. Now I am taking two for loops, friends. Here what I am doing, array index starting from 0, right? So I equal to 0, I less than, say, RA or also RB, you can take it, friends. Say I plus plus. Here integer, say j equal to 0, j less than CA and j plus plus. So what is the logic, friends? Already I have taken, right? So this one you have to write, friends. So I mean instead of writing this, what I am doing is C equal to A plus B of this one, friends. So what I need to write? So I will put ij value. So here C of I j is equivalent to A of I j plus B of I and j, friends. If you see here, it's very simple, friends. I initial I equal to 0, j equal to 0. So 0 0. C of 0 0 equal to A of 0 0 plus B of 0 0, friends. So this one, it will be completed. Next time what will be happened? J becomes 1, I remains 0. So C of 0 1 equal to A of 0 1 plus B of 0 1. Then J loop will get failed. Then what will be happened? I value will be incremented by 1. Then I becomes 1 and 1 0. C of 1 0 equal to A of 1 0 plus B of 1 0. Next one, what will be happened? J becomes 1, friends. I also 1, J equal to 1. C of 1 1 equal to A of 1 1 plus B of 1 1, friends. So all conditions will be satisfied. Then what will be happen? J becomes 2. This loop will get will be terminated, and I becomes 2, and this one also will be terminated, friends. So the result will be available where, friends? In the for loop. One more thing, instead of taking one more two for loops, I am displaying the result here itself. So how can I am displaying? System dot out dot println. You can. And one more thing, friends, we know about system.out.println. So what will be happen? Values will be, once the output is displayed, the cursor will be moving to the next line. So I want to display the result in this format only, in the matrix format. So after printing 6, the cursor should not move to the next line. In the same line, it should be available. That is the reason what I am doing for a, I am not using ln. So new line I'm not using. And one more thing, after displaying 6, what I want some space, right? So that is the reason what I am doing here, plus I am giving slash t. So you will get 8 character space. Horizontally, you will get 8 character space. In between 6 and 8, we have some space, right? So because of slash t, we will get some space, friends. And after printing 8, what will be happen? We are moving to next line, right? So what is the meaning? So each and every row we have to print in the next line. So that is the reason once this for loop is executed, I am moving to the next line. So how we are moving, friends? Just a system.out.println I am giving. So because of ln, what will be happen? You will get one new line, and I am giving one more slash n. So total 2 lines you will get it. Otherwise, if you don't want, no problem. You can remove ln and you can give this one, friends. Both are valid. Both are valid, friends. And yeah, that's it, friends. My logic is completed. Let me check whether this logic is working fine or not. So yes, enter A matrix rows, friends. Just I want to add 3 rows and 3 matrix I am taking. What about B matrix? So 2 by 2, friends. So what is the meaning? I am trying to add 3 by 3 matrix with the 2 by 2 matrix. What is the matrix addition is not possible. So okay. Now let me check, friends. Just I am taking a 3 by 3 matrix. What is that? And B matrix also 3 by 3, friends. Wrong, friends. 1 minute, friends. I did a mistake. And I want 3 3, B matrix 3 3. So now matrix is matrix addition is possible. Now I am accepting values of A. What are the values, friends? Say 1 here, 2 here, and 3, and 4 5 and 6. Not only these elements, friends, you can take any number of elements. 7 I am taking, and 8 also I am taking, friends, and here 9. So what about B matrix, friends? Say 10, 11 and 12, friends. Here 13 and say 14, say 15 and 16, say 17 and 18, friends. So see the result. What is the result here? This is 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27. If you see here, you'll get it, friends. 1 minute, let me maximize this window. If you see here, what is that? 1 with the 10, 11 you are getting, 2 plus 11, 13, 3 plus 12, 15. So if you can cross verify the result, friends. Okay, that's it, friends. Not only 3 by 3 matrix, you can perform addition for m by n matrix. Any number of like matrix, you can add it, friends. That's it, friends. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching my video. And friends, still, if you have any concerns, any issues, please let me know in the comment box. Definitely, I'll respond and I'll make a separate video on that. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video.